the action camera world is buzzing again. And this time, it's not just because of GoPro. With rumors swirling about DJI's first ever 360-degree camera, the so-called Osmo 360, GoPro is feeling the heat. And just when we thought they might let the competition take over, leaks are pointing to GoPro's big counterpunch, the GoPro Max 2. Fans of immersive video and adventurers alike are hyped to see how GoPro plans to reclaim its throne in the 360-degree camera space. But the question is, can the Max 2 deliver the upgrades we've been waiting for since the original Max dropped back in 2019? Let's break it all down. One of the first things catching attention in these leaks is the Max 2's design. Gone is the plain, rounded body of the original. Instead, leaked images show a ribbed exterior, not just for aesthetics, but likely to act as a heat sink for better cooling. That's a big deal, because overheating was one of the biggest complaints about the original Max. Long recording sessions in the sun or at high resolutions pushed the first model to its limits. If GoPro has cracked the code with better heat management, this could be a much more reliable tool for creators who push their gear to the edge. Let's talk about image quality, because this is where the Max 2 really needs to shine. The first GoPro Max could shoot in 6K, which was great at the time. But competitors like Insta360 have already moved to 8K at 60 frames per second. Rumors suggest the Max 2 could match or even exceed that with improved low-light performance, another area where the original Max struggled. If these leaks are legit, expect sharper details, richer colors, and smoother frame rates. For immersive VR-style videos and reframing in post, this upgrade alone could make the Max 2 a serious powerhouse. Here's where things get spicy. Some leaks hint at a modular design, which would be a first for GoPro. Imagine swapping out lenses for different shooting scenarios, attaching a high-fidelity mic module for better audio, or even upgrading your display. If true, this modular approach would let creators customize their setups instead of relying on third-party accessories. That flexibility could make the Max 2 a camera that grows with your skills and needs rather than one you outgrow in a year or two. The leaked photos also reveal a small screen under the lens, much like the original Max. But there's speculation that this display will get an upgrade in resolution and touch sensitivity, making it easier to frame shots and navigate settings on the fly. And speaking of fly, what about battery life? With all these potential upgrades, heat control and power management become critical. GoPro might need to either increase battery size or optimize their software to ensure creators can capture long adventure sessions without constantly swapping batteries. Fingers crossed for USB-C fast charging and longer run times this time around. So, when can we expect the Max 2? If GoPro sticks to its typical release cadence, a late 2025 launch, likely in September or October, feels about right. That timeline also gives them space to refine these upgrades and counter whatever DJI is cooking up with its Osmo 360. The leaks suggest GoPro is listening to its fans and doubling down on heat management, better video specs, and possibly even modularity. If all this holds true, the Max 2 could easily reclaim the crown as the ultimate 360-degree action camera. What about you? Are you sticking with GoPro? Curious about DJI's rumored competitor? Or eyeing Insta360? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to know where you stand in the 360-degree camera wars. And if you love staying ahead of the curve with tech leaks and creator gear, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell icon. We've got more juicy updates coming your way.